Hello, welcome to the video session about the Topodraw module of eSurvey CAD. This video will teach how easily you can import survey data as drawing with automatic line joining, block insertion, and much more. Many of the surveys are done either with a total station, GPS or DGPS. Most of the total station survey instruments come along with software that converts the surveyed data into a drawing format, that is a drawing file or a DXF file. The point created by such programs represents a point with an attribute block primarily as a 3D point, making it difficult for the users to edit the drawing further. Topodraw addresses this problem, automates drawing conversion, and generates output into D or 3D as per user requirement. The output file from the total station or any other instrument capable of capturing the coordinates and elevations will have serial number, easting, northing, elevation, and remarks. Some people refer to remarks as code. For example, a code BW represents a bore well point. We will convert one of the existing point data files to help you understand this program. In eSurvey CAD, you need to create a new file by selecting the Topodraw Contour Earthwork option by giving any file name. In Surface menu, go to Import Data and select the surveyed data file. Data can either be in CSV or Excel format. All the survey instruments not necessarily will have point data in serial, easting, northing, elevation, and remark order. If the arrangement of point data is different, we can configure importing by altering the column number in this import window. Once you configure columns correctly, you have to click on the Import button to import the data. Now select the Topodraw menu and the Topo Map item, displaying the output CAD file where each point from point data is represented with serial, elevation, and remark. We can note that the remarks overlap with the serial number. To make the drawing more readable, we can configure text representation properties in the configuration window. In this window, we can make many modifications relate to point property display, like position, output point into D or 3D, etc. To remove the overlapping, we will give a shift value as -1 for remark, which means that the text representing remark will have to move downwards by 1 unit. After making these corrections, if we regenerate the drawing by clicking on the View button, we can note that drawing readability is enhanced. By making changes in the configuration window, we can set more properties like displaying the particular point attribute like X position, layer property, representation into D or 3D, etc. Line joining and block insertion in Topodraw. To automatically join lines using Topodraw, we have to click on the Setting button and Add Remarks. The software will show all the remarks, that is, unique remarks available in your point data. We can import all of them or import selectively. Let us import all the remarks in this demo session. We can note that the software will display all the remarks with details like the number of times that remark is present in point data. In this sample, D1 and D2 represent drain lines. 42 points represent the first drain edge, and similarly, D2 represents the other drain edge. To automatically join all the drain edges, we select the Line option and select the Join Tech option. After making these changes, if we refresh the drawing by clicking on the View button, the software will automatically join all the remarks representing drain. The software will insert the blocks in the drawing. When we have imported codes in the setting, the software has identified blocks, which matches with given code. For example, we have a code named EP, which represents an electrical pole. Drawing is present in C, eSurvey, eSurveyCAD, blocks folder. Similarly, other blocks like tree, bore well are inserted. When you start using the software, You can add such drawings for a new set of remarks to this library or replace these blocks with your blocks. This procedure demonstrates that drawing preparation from total station survey data is effortless with TopoDraw. Further, to highlight a few points in the topo map, you can select box remarks with RL and save them. The software will highlight all such points when you refresh the drawing. Finally, click on the CAD button to convert your total station data into your CAD package and easily edit the drawing as the entities created are plain text entities and simple CAD blocks. Thank you for watching this video. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly add informative videos about infrastructure design and engineering solutions. Road Infra Suite and Water Infra Suite are very popular software solutions for infrastructure engineering. You can also book a free demonstration of the software by visiting www.esurveying.net. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on +919 449 or book online demonstration through our website www.esurveying.net.